Imagine you've just received a hefty paycheck or a generous gift. You want to save that money for a rainy day or perhaps invest it for the future. But how do you transfer that money safely and efficiently to your EverBank account? EverBank is a popular choice for online banking, offering competitive interest rates and a user-friendly platform. But transferring money to EverBank can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially if you're new to online banking. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of transferring money to your EverBank account. We'll cover different methods, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and ACH transfers, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. 1. Bank transfers. The most common method of transferring money to EverBank is through a bank transfer. This involves initiating a transfer from your existing bank account to your EverBank account. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your online banking portal or mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Step 3. Select Add Payee and enter your EverBank account information, including the account number and routing number. Step 4. Choose the amount you want to transfer and confirm the details. Step 5. Complete the transfer by following the prompts. Note that bank transfers typically take a few business days to process. 2. Wire transfers. For larger sums of money or urgent transfers, you might consider a wire transfer. Wire transfers are typically faster but can come with higher fees. Here's how to initiate a wire transfer. Step 1. Contact your bank and request a wire transfer. Step 2. Provide your EverBank account information and the amount you want to transfer. Step 3. Pay the necessary fees and complete the transfer. Wire transfers can usually be completed within a day or two. 3. ACH transfers. Another option for transferring money to EverBank is through an automated clearinghouse, ACH, transfer. ACH transfers are electronic transactions that can be used for both debits and credits. Here's how to set up an ACH transfer. Step 1. Log into your EverBank online banking portal. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Step 3. Select Add Payee and enter your existing bank account information. Step 4. Choose the amount you want to transfer and confirm the details. Step 5. Complete the ACH transfer by following the prompts. ACH transfers typically take a few business days to process. Tips and considerations. Security. Always prioritize security when transferring money online. Use strong passwords, avoid public Wi-Fi networks, and be wary of phishing attempts. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with transferring money to EverBank. Some banks may charge fees for wire transfers or international transfers. Processing time. Consider the processing time for each transfer method. If you need the money quickly, a wire transfer might be the best option. Customer support. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, don't hesitate to contact EverBank's customer support for assistance. Transferring money to your EverBank account is a straightforward process that can be completed using various methods. By understanding the options available and following the steps outlined in this video, you can safely and efficiently move your funds to your EverBank account. Have you transferred money to your EverBank account before? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.